What happens if you ask an AI to generate an abstract texture, and then try using it in your Unreal Engine materials? Can you make it seamless? Let's find out. My name is Aida Drogan. I'm the lead developer at SilverCord-VR, and in this video I'll show you the seamless wrap system. You'll find the link below this video. In the folder Seamless Wrap Materials Master, create a material instance of Seamless Wrap Demo. This material already has the Seamless Texture Wrap function connected. Assign the material to an object in your scene. Place the material instance window next to the viewport, so you can easily adjust the tile while looking at the mesh. In the main texture parameter group, plug your generated texture into the texture slot. And just like that, the seam disappears immediately, except for some mip-map seam artifacts at tile borders, which we'll remove later. To compare with the raw texture, disable the Make Textures Seamless checkbox. The demo material also has its own Seamless Texture Wrap function enabled. To turn it off, disable Make Normal Seamless and set Normal Flatness to 1. The seam mask has many configurable parameters. All of them are documented on our website in the Seamless Texture Wrap parameter reference. You can fine-tune edge softness and width, change the blend mask texture, edit mask texture settings, and flip the seam horizontally or vertically. For debugging, you can enable Show Mix Mask and set a custom color for clarity. Once you're happy with the result, save your material. Next, we'll bake it into a texture asset using an editor utility widget called Texture Baker. Open the widget, go to the Graph tab, and in Class Defaults, locate the source material variable. Assign the material you just created with the masked seam. Save and run the widget. A settings window will appear. Here you can choose the texture size, compression settings, save location, and asset name. More details about these settings are available in the documentation. By default, it creates a color sRGB texture, 1024 by 1024 pixels, saved in the widgets directory. Once baked, it becomes a regular texture asset that you can use in your materials. However, when you open the baked color texture in the editor, you may see a blank preview window. This is a known Unreal Engine bug caused by textures saved via render targets. It does not affect how the material displays in your project. You can use the asset normally. Create a new material or a material instance of Simple Texture Demo from Seamless Wrap Materials Master and assign the baked texture to it. This material will look identical to the previous one, but using a baked texture greatly improves performance. Thanks for joining me in this test. If you'd like to support the project or see more tools like this, you can find everything on our website and on Fab. May your textures be lightweight and beautiful.